Shakil once again. In the previous video we have created the nice looking form and receiving the data in the state. So what's the benefit of receiving data in the state? We are receiving the data in the front end and we need to create the server and initialize the server, and through from receiving the data through Axios we want to send the data to the server and the backend database. So for that reason we need to first of all create the server. Okay, so create a folder, name it server. So we have two sides, one is client side, one is server side, and in the server side let's initialize the initial server npm init initialize npm init dot y. Oh, sorry, I have done it wrong. I am deleting because I have not navigate to the server folder. cd server, then we have to initialize npm init /y. okay, so now we are in the server, but previously we in the root folder. Okay, so for the initialization we got the package.json file in our server folder. Okay, so what we need to do, we need some third-party libraries like express.env course. So let's include this file npm I express, first of all express.env node-mon to concurrently run our server, Morgan to log our file, Morgan, then bcrypt to hash the password, bcrypt, then course using this resource sharing, because we are running our server in different port, one is 8000 naturally and another is 3000, so course will help in this regard, and mongoose, then JSON web token, JSON web token. If there is a typo it will not download properly, so you have to give the perfect name. JSON web token .env node-mon mongoose bcrypt is here. Okay, so initially we are downloading it, and later depending on the packages we will do the next. Okay, so it will take little bit of time. By this time we are including node-mon over here. Say start to run our server concurrently. If any change happens, it will run our server node-mon server.js. Why server.js? Because we have not given the name server.js. okay, create a file server.js. okay, server.js, package.json, server.js. okay, fail to say package.json, the content of the file is newer, please compare your version with the file content. Okay, let's see what will happen. So the problem was with the VS Code, not the problem, ESLint or anything else gives some problems, so I have to overwrite it. So we have created another folder server.js and connected it with the node-mon to concurrently run our server, and server.js. As this is the server.js, so if the name was different I have to give it a different name, and then go to the server.js and console log whether it is working properly. Console.log our server is getting ready. So our server is getting ready. So if we run our server npm start, yeah, you see our server is getting ready, but where is the files we have downloaded? So here is your dependencies, bcrypt course .env, express, json web token, mongoose, morgan, and nodemon. So we just use the nodemon to concurrently run our server. Whenever any changes takes place, it will run automatically. Okay, so our server is ready, and we can console log our server is getting ready from this file. So this file and this folder and files are also working. So we need to make our server totally ready and connected our mongoose and MongoDB to the server. So we'll do it in the next tutorial. So no more today. So if you like the tutorial, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned. Thank you. See you soon.